Hello, I'm Victoria, your Renishaw Innovation Ambassador. Our technologies are used throughout the automotive manufacturing supply chain, and today we are going to look at some of the technology that can improve throughput, quality, and overall efficiency of your process.
The value of the REVO system on a traditional CMM is a great increase in throughput, the ability to scan significantly faster while maintaining the original accuracy at great extensions off the probe head. The Vision probe has also added a great benefit to the automotive industry to be able to rapidly view, acquire, and measure different holes and different through features on the parts without making contact with them. Adding surface finish, you no longer have to remove the part from the CMM, take it to another station that has rather expensive gauging that can break, requires additional maintenance. Everything is completely automated and all in the single process. The increase in throughput or increase in measurement speed can cut the measurement time from parts that used to take days to measure down to hours.
Renishaw Equator gauging system has been providing highly repeatable, versatile, reprogrammable gauging on the shop floor since 2011. Renishaw is now pleased to announce the new Equator 500 gauging system, which has all the proven benefits of the Equator 300 system. The Equator 500 measuring volume is 500 millimeters in diameter with up to 400 millimeters in Z height. This allows it to measure a variety of, say, automotive components like transmission casings, engine components, up to 100 kilos in weight. Equator systems are also able to gauge at a wide range of temperatures, anything from 5 degrees right up to 50 degrees, even when the temperature changes rapidly. All of the Equator gauging systems, when combined with our award-winning IPC, Intelligent Process Control software, allow for constant monitoring of the process and updating to maintain the quality of your manufacturing operation. IPC automatically updates offsets on the machine control to correct for process drift caused primarily by tool wear or potentially by machine thermals on the machine tool. We've also introduced the EQATS automatic transfer system, which allows parts to be loaded onto a plate outside the machine volume and then transferred into the machine under automatic program control.
To accommodate the demand of our innovative technology, we've opened an office located in the heart of the automotive industry, just outside of Detroit. This allows us to work throughout the automotive industry with a focus on the development and adoption of new technology, helping manufacturers achieve ever more demanding performance targets. To learn more about how Renishaw can be your partner in innovative manufacturing, visit www.renishaw.com/automotive. Until next time, I'm Victoria, your Renishaw Innovation Ambassador.